UMLA ke Umsning constituency Dr. Celestin Lingdo ulara iki Khyndai Tylli ke mat jingyakran hapo ke Iing Dorbar Thawaiñ ke jella ban kersiu ya ke sarkar bat ban le ne pentrekam no yaki kitei kimat ki kenthum ke baningkong ke jingwan rung kerthep ne ke jinglai lan ki mender bat ke jing buhai snong ke jongki ke baar ki lat jingyada shiki pajba ki basong hai ki snong khapun ke balai ki lat ban kentiu ha katanat pule puthi ke basau ban kentiu kerdan ni ki health center ha ki snong nong kendong ke basan ke jing deko trekam jong katanat boarding ne ke MEECL ke ban riu ke jing sateng ban pendap iki medical college ban nyo ke jing bam shai ke rukom trekam ha ka sarkar ke bapra ke jing deko ban pendap iki scheme lingba ke jal jivan mission ne ke JJM ke ba Khyndai ban perkhat kerpang nagbenta kinong tre asha bat agan wadi habai dei ba kajing penbeit put jongki ar jella haki benta kasnong yong khuli u Dr. Celestin ula banjur ba omdei ban aidu shaka Assam ki ba kite ki jaka kanthop ya kalum jingtem bat kapung do kha namar ki dei ki baha phapo upur usam jong ka jella Meghalaya.
I would like to inform the House that amendment to the motion of thanks to the Governor's address has been submitted by Dr. Celestin Lingdo, MLA, and seconded by Sri Roni V. Lingdo, MLA. Any one of the honourable members may move the amendment to the motion of thanks.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to move, but regret that the Governor's address fails to mention the following. Number one, failure of the government to indicate commitment to address the issues of influx and illegal immigration. Number two, safety and security of citizens in border areas. Number three, educational infrastructure for higher education. Number four, upgradation of health centers in rural areas. Number five, many failures of the MECL. Number six, delay in completion of medical colleges. Number seven, transparency in governance. Number eight, failure of JJM, Jan Jival mission. Number nine, poor treatment of Ashas and Aganwadi workers. Now when we come to the amendments to the motion of thanks to the Governor's address, I would like to bring forward certain points to discuss and share our opinions and suggestions to the government. In page number 2 of the Governor's address at serial number 3, they have mentioned about the resolution of the long pending border disputes between Assam and Meghalaya. The suggestions which I want to make here is that, sir, we have 6 more remaining areas. But what we have learned from the 6 areas that have been discussed, I would like to give an example. In Pilingkata Maikhuli, when we discuss an issue of handing over and taking over of the areas of difference, when Meghalaya gives to Assam, it should be an area of difference. And when it receives from Assam also, it should be an area of difference. Here I would like to point out, in Maikhuli, the area of difference or the point of contention in that village was the graveyard. But when the border was corrected, the area which is not under contention, there is a large fish pond which the village used to benefit out of it. They have handed over that part to Assam. That fish pond is not under an area of difference. So I would like to point out here, with the remaining 6 areas that maybe the government will take up in a later time, if they have to exchange, they have to exchange only the areas that are under difference. We should never give the land that is not disputed from Meghalaya to Assam. That is my submission, sir.